As a little surprise, I will be racing a RMZ 250 at Ironman.
So that rumor came out the other day, at least from Cooksey, who a lot of people find you're either on one side of the fence or the other. But the rumor was that Ken Roczen would be racing a 250. I didn't hear any about what it was or where it was for or what, but it's apparently true. And I gotta ask the question. Comment down below. Do you think this is a good idea? Do you think this is kind of stupid? Whatever. Comment down below. Tell me what you're thinking. And also the question has to be asked, how does this even work? I mean, I guess it's outdoors, so it's not as stringent as like Supercross where Joey Savatgy couldn't race his 250. What? It's just kind of a weird thing. You know, why if you're going to come back and race one race on a 450 and then another race on a 250, what's the kind of the point? I mean, I guess he is so far out of the points, it doesn't matter. He's, championship's not a thing for him. This is probably just him getting on a bike and having some fun before SMX and before MXDN or MXON, whatever you want to call it, the nations. I don't know. I mean, obviously, if he's been on the bike training, it's probably just one of those things that the more racing you get, the better. And why not go back to some 250s? Who cares? It's not going to hurt his season. It's not going to hurt anything as long as he doesn't go back, get injured racing a 250 that he's not used to. The power band or whatever, trying for a jump that's just not going to work for it. But I think it could be kind of cool. You're going to see one of the best riders of all time, Ken Roczen, kind of past his prime, but still, a very competitive guy, racing Hymus and Deegan and Savatgy and all the 250 guys, Kitchen. It's kind of be, you got the two ends of the stick. The young guys coming up in the 250s and the older guy coming back to, race something for fun. And you never know, somebody like him definitely could podium, win, steal some points, change some stats up. So for the 250 guys that are in the championship, you have to actually think about this and go, how is this going to work out? Like, do we race them hard, or how is it going to? You don't want it to affect you and race them hard to try and pass them or whatever and fall and get injured because you want to beat Ken Roczen. But I don't know, it could be kind of cool, depending on how this works out. And if for him, again, it's just getting on the bike, getting some race speed laps underneath you, so you can be ready for SMX or OzX or whatever he's doing, But I don't know, like I said, comment down below. You guys tell me. Do you think this is a cool thing? Do you think this is, whatever? You couldn't care less because it's just kind of a weird to go back to the 250. But I think it'd be kind of cool, and we'll see how it goes. Obviously, if he's back for Unadilla, that's good. Another big name back in the 450 class who should be competitive. Even with everyone out and not having raced for a while, assuming if he's been training, he'll be at least fit enough to do one race well. We'll see about Moto 2, but whatever it is, like I said, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And if you want to watch his whole post, it's at the end of this video, so you can watch that. And yeah, thank you very much. Like I said, do all the fun things. I much appreciate it. It helps a lot, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.
What's up, people? Emergency announcement. Not really an emergency, but I want to let you guys know that I am in for the 450 class at Unadilla. Super excited about it for my return to pro motocross. And on top of that, as a little surprise, I will be racing a RMZ 250 at Ironman. Yep, you heard that right. I'm going to be mixing it up with the kids. Super excited about it. It's been about 100 years since I've ridden a 250 for real. And yeah, I figured, why not have a little bit of fun, right? I hope you guys enjoy it, and we'll see you guys at Unadilla and Ironman.